Okay, so Brooke's filming right now, by the way, so it's not like she left the channel or anything.
Hi guys.
So we pretty much had a bet that I bet Brooke that I could fit into my bird's cage. So we're gonna take everything out and see if I can fit in through the top, which opens up. So yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna try not to kill myself going into this. I'm gonna like pull a muscle. Okay, is it going? Okay, new tactic. This isn't gonna work.
The battery sign just turned on.
Turn on?
Yeah.
What if I break this?
You probably won't.
Yeah, I will. Hey Brooke, say hi to the camera.
Hi guys. How you doing?
Is it going?
We did it.
Success! Please help me!
Hey guys, it's Brooke from BrookNLauren. Here's Lauren. Right now we're at the car dealership because my brother needs his oil change. That's Brooke's brother.
Don't turn it that way! Because then people are gonna be like, no, I seriously do have an idea though.
Okay guys, so pretty much
My knee won't go in. Did I bring my phone up here? Are you recording? Oh.